Hi, grade 3. I'm Miss Iman Sayed from Realms Teacher Iman Channel. Today I will resume Unit 7 in your book Connect. But before I will go to the show, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel to send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Today I will make you a quick revise of what I give you last video or for what we learned last video. Let's go to remind with each other what we took before. Last class we took lesson 1 and lesson 2. I will make quick revise about what we talk about it, give you a brief about what we took about what we took in lesson 1 and 2. In this lesson, we talk about the places and the nationalities, and we know the names of countries and the nationalities, like what Egypt, Egyptian, America, American, and so on. And we know some expressions like where are you from, to ask about the place. When we greeting someone, saying welcome to any place, welcome to Egypt. When I greeting to someone saying that you are welcome, and we know and we know how to expressing the happiness by saying I'm happy to be here, and so on. Okay. Last class also we talk about we have a grammar lesson about verb to be, and know the abbreviation of verb to be, like I am written like this, he is written like this. It's called abbreviation. We know some vocabs in this lesson, and we must keep it, like Egypt, Egyptian, China, Chinese, France, and America. And the last class I answered the questions, and if you return to the video, you watch what I answered, how I answered it. In this part, we talk about the food and the traditional breakfast for every country. In this part, we know this. We have tea, milk, chocolate, muffin, food, falafel, bread, noodles, and so on. Breakfast, and we know that have must be followed by what? Must be followed by meals, and we know have used for meals like this: have for breakfast, have for dinner, have for lunch, and so on. Okay. And we know has, and we know have and has, and we know that have and has is expressing something is what is belongs to us, something belongs to us. Okay, this is have and has, something belongs to us. Okay, when we talk about have and has, something belongs to us. Like, sorry, he, she, it, have. Are you with they, take, got, take, have. So he, she, it is singular, take, have. Are you with they, take, have, because it's plural. Okay, and we know some vocab like breakfast, country, bread, muffin, milk, and tea. Okay. Let's go to another lesson 3 today. Today we are going to take lesson, and we know here is some vocab here in this part. I think I stopped here last class, so I start from this part. Okay, here we have different schools. Okay, we talk here about different schools. Here we have writing, reading, arts, music. I will repeat and repeat after me: writing, reading, arts, and music. Social studies, we will take it next year. Social studies, this is the subject we will take next year in grade 4. Social studies. Geography. Social studies consist of 2 parts: geography and history. Geography is the part of social studies. Okay, like science. When we grow up in secondary stage, the science is classified into 3 parts: physics, chemistry, and biology. So the parts of science, it will be physics, chemistry, and biology. The parts of social studies, it will be geography and history. This is the parts of every subject here. Okay, here we have science, math, And in mathematics, classified in what? Classified in two parts. Classified into algebra and geometry in preparatory. Okay. Here we have Arabic, English. Arabic, English is the same. Can't classified. German, BE. BE is called physical education. Is the abbreviation of physical education. Okay. Let's know some vocab here. Here we have start school, club. Start school, club. Finish school means when the day is ended, I say school finished. Okay. Play, do homework, volleyball, have piano lessons, day off. Day off means there isn't school day, means vacation. I will give you vacation, means vacation. Okay. Not we haven't worked in this day. Okay, this is called vacation. Let's continue the rest of the vocab here. We have musical instrument. Lunch is what is a meal. Lunch is a meal. Okay. We have how many meals as we know before? We have 3 meals. We have lunch. We have also breakfast here. We have breakfast as we know before. We have breakfast. We have breakfast. I would like to write it in separated paper to be clear. Okay. I would write it separated paper. Okay. I would like to write it in separated paper. Here we have 3 meals. We have 3 meals. We have 3 meals. We have here we have 3 meals. 3 meals. What is the meals that we know it? We have 3 meals. We have breakfast. This is we take it when we wake up from when we wake up. This is called the breakfast. Take it in the beginning of the day. We take it in what? In the beginning of the day. In the beginning of the day. In the beginning of the day. It will be taken in the beginning of the day. Beginning of the day. Okay? The beginning of the day. We have here lunch in the middle of the day. We take this meal in what? In the middle of the day. In the middle of the day. It will be in the middle. In the middle of the day. In the middle of the day. In the middle of day. And the last one is it will be dinner in the evening. This will take it in the evening. This in the evening. Okay, in the evening. In the evening. Okay. This is the 3 meals we have in our day. Okay. Evening. Okay. Evening. The evening. Okay. And we have nowadays we are near from Ramadan and we have 2 meals only. Okay. We will get the 2 meals only. Okay. In Ramadan. Happy Ramadan for you, for all. Okay. We have 3 meals. Breakfast in the beginning of the day. We have lunch in the middle of the day and dinner in the evening. This is called our meals. This is our meals in the day. Okay. I will return to our lesson. I would like to return to our lesson to continue what we started. Here we have musical instrument and lunch. Let's go to the prepositions here. Here we have at home, on Friday, on Saturday, in the morning, in the afternoon, at 8 o'clock. 8 here comes with what? 8 here comes with what? With time. We use 8 with what? With time here. Okay. As we told you, on used with what? On we took before that you on used with days, and in with used with months and years. Okay, in used with months and years. Okay, we must know this. Okay, with months and years. Months and years. Okay, here we have in months and years, on days. Okay, let's go to another one. Hi, I'm Mark. I'm American. I start school at 8 o'clock. In the morning, we have writing and math, then music or BE. We have lunch at 12, Then in the afternoon, we have science and reading. We finish school at around 3. We don't have school on Saturdays and Sundays. So this is the days that we don't go to school. In these days we didn't go to school like what Saturdays and Sundays. Let's go to another one here. Hi, I'm Mary. I'm French. I start school at 8 o'clock. In the morning, we have writing and math. Then German or English. We have lunch from 11:45 to 2 o'clock. We finish school at around 4:30. On Saturdays, we have school in the mornings, but we don't have school on Wednesdays and Sundays. Let's go to another one here. Hi, I'm Walid. I'm Egyptian. I start school at 8 o'clock. In the evening, we have Arabic, English, and math. Then in the afternoon, we have science, social studies, and arts in Discover. We finish school at around 2. Then we have lunch at home. Then we have lunch at home. After school, I go to the club to play volleyball. We have no school on Fridays and Saturdays. We have no school on Fridays and Saturdays. And Saturdays, yes, and Saturdays. Let's go to another one. Hi, I'm Wing Wing. I'm Wing Wing. This is Chinese without thinking. I'm Chinese. I start school at 7:30 in the evening. We have writing and math, geography and English. We have lunch from 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock. We finish school at around 6. After school, I do homework and I have piano lessons. We have no school on Sundays. We have no school on Sundays. Okay. Here we know, as we know here, in used in the time of days, during time of days. In used in during time of days. Okay, during time of days, during time of days, time of days, time like in the evening, the afternoon, time of days, during time of days, time of days, of day, time of day. Okay. 8 used before what? We used before what? Before hours. Okay. 8, we use 8 before hours. Okay. Before hours. Here we have on used before what? Before days. Before days. On, as we know, before what? Before days. So here we use 8 before hours. Use 8 before hours. We use in during time of the day. Okay. Let's continue the rest of our unit. Okay. Here we have writing. Here we have some vocabularies learned together. Here we have writing, reading, arts. Writing, reading, arts. Arabic, science, math. Arabic, science, math. Okay, I will repeat and repeat after me. Here we have writing, reading, reading, arts, arts. We have here Arabic, science, math. I would like to trace this word and write it by yourself to practice how to write it, because it's important to write in good spelling. Okay, I will leave you the link of this book below the video to download it and write it by yourself. Here we have, hi, I'm Mark. I'm American. Space at school at 8 o'clock. So here it will be what? I start. So the answer, it will be I start. I answer one of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Okay? As a homework. Here's the start. In the morning, we have space and math. We have science and math. Okay? We have science and math. Then music or PE. We have lunch at 12. Then in the afternoon, we have writing, reading with space at school. At around, we finish school. Okay, here we finish school. We finish school. Okay, we finish school. We finish school at around 3 o'clock. Let's go to another one here. Here we have, I answer 4 of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. I start school, it will be here, we have a time. So I put here what? I put here at, because as we told you, that at is used before what? Before time. Here we have lunch space, afternoon, to be in the afternoon, as we know it. They don't go to school on Friday. Why on? Because we have here days, and as we know here, that on used with days. I have breakfast here home. It will be at home, not in, not at on. Okay, it's wrong. It will be at home. Okay, I will leave the 3 sentences to do it by yourself. Okay, make your mind and answer by yourself. I answer some, and you answer the rest by yourself. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here we have, hi, I'm Mary. I'm French. I start school at 8 o'clock. In the morning, we have writing and math. Then German or English, we have lunch from 11:45 to 2 o'clock. We finish school at around 4:30. We have a school on Saturdays mornings, but we don't have school on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Here we have, Mary starts school here at what? As we know from the text. It will be 8 o'clock. So I answered this. Can say Miss Iman, here written in number and here written in letters. So we must know the letters have the numbers in letters in both letters and numbers. We must know it. Okay. So here we have, it will be 8 like this. So I select this one. Mary has school on. Has school on what? Has school on Saturdays, as we know here, Saturdays. So the days of is that we can't go to school, Wednesdays and Sundays. But the days that we go on, it will be on Saturdays. Where is Mary from? So here I ask about what? Here ask about what? As we know, grade 3, as we know from me. I explained the WH question, and we have many videos about how about the WH questions and when we use it. Here we're to ask about what? To ask about place. So here in this question, I ask about the place that Mary comes from. Let's go to know more, to know where is Mary from, as we know here from the text. Okay, I will return to the text and know. Mary from what? From, he is French. So don't write French. It will be the writing here. It will be France, not saying French, because in France, French is the nationality, but the place, it will be France here. It will be here France. Okay, right here from France. Okay, right from France. Okay. So we must know the names of countries and names of nationalities, because it's important for us to know how to write it. Okay, when we say where is Mary from, I write French, it will be wrong. Why? Because I would like to ask about the place comes from. It will be comes from what? He comes from what? She comes from what? Comes from France. Not like, don't write French. Okay, because French is a nationality, not a place. Okay. Let's go to another question here. What does Mary have in the morning? Let's know what have in the morning. In the morning have what? Writing and mathematics. It will be writing and mathematics. Okay, it will be here. So I write here, Mary has in the morning writing and mathematics. Let's go to another one here. I will leave this to do it by yourself. Let's answer this question. Here we have lunch space in the afternoon. It will be in, wrong. It will be in, on. It will be in, not on. Why? Because as we know here that the in used in the during what? During the day, the time of the day. Okay, it will be here in. I start school. It will be here. Here we call clock. So it will be the preposition that we use with clock with the hours. It will be 8. Space school on Friday days and Saturdays. So here it will be we don't have. Here it will be we don't have. We don't have. We don't have. Here we have after school, I space piano lessons. I have. In the morning we space. We have here. We here is plural. So it takes what? Takes have, not has. So it will be has. It will be have, not has. We finish school at around. It will be at around 3. It will be at, not on. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Here is we have the question that I would like to know: subject plus verb plus object. I think all of us know this rule. I explained many times. In the question, what can I do? I replace the verb instead of what? Instead of subject. Let's answer this question together. I answer two, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Here it will be: I start school at 8 o'clock. I start school. I start school. Here it will be: I start school at 8 o'clock. I start school at 8 o'clock. And I put full stop at the end of the sentence. Let's go to another one here. Here is go to I volleyball to play the club. So it will be I go to the club to play the volleyball. So it will be I here is the subject. Where is the verb? Go to. Go to where? Go to the club. To do what? To play football, to play volleyball. I go to the club to play volleyball. I go to the club to play the volleyball. To play volleyball, not there. To play volleyball, to play volleyball directly, not not to have any articles here. So it will be I go to the club to play what? To play volleyball. Volley. To play volleyball. And I put full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here is the punctuation. Let's do it together. Here we have, I answer two of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Here we have we written in small letters. So I corrected by capital letter. Arabic written in small, I will write it in capital. Okay, here English written in capital letter. The names of subject also written in capital letter. Okay, it will be here math in capital letter. Here it will be who. I started the sentence with capital letter. It will be here who written in the W written in capital letter. Who, and I put question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, it will be here I. It will be written in capital letter, as we told you before, grade 3, that I is the only pronoun that comes in any place must be written in capital letter. Here is Warid written in small letter. I will write it in capital letter. Okay, and I put full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay, let's continue the rest of the unit of our lesson. In this part, we talk about yourself, and you put your photo here. Okay, you say that, as we know during the lesson, I'm from any place. I'm start school at so and so, and you can write the details that we learned here in this part in this form. Okay. Here, I would like to give you some about unit. I give you a brief about lesson 3. Then next class, I will answer it because I would like to make the video not long. Okay. Here is we have. Here is the phonics, or the pronunciation of how to pronounce the letters, the words. Like what? Here is coffee, muffin, of police officer. Here is toll, bill, dollar. So it will be here coffee, muffin, of, police officer, toll, bill, and dollar. Here we have glass and dress. Here we have some extra vocab. Let's learn it together. Ring, leave. Ring, leave. New work, because there. Ring, leave. New work, because there. Okay. Here we have my mom likes to make muffins with to take. Here is to take, not to take muffins with coffee, with her coffee. My new dress is $30. My new dress is $30. I can't see this one, so I will leave it. So can't take care. Can't. This is not clear. I will leave it until I answer it. Okay, I will leave it. I will leave this part. Here is punctuation and capitalize. Here is the rule of punctuation. Let's know it together. Here we say we use capital letters at the beginning of the sentence. All of us know this. This is the rules of punctuation. We start the sentence by capital letter. The capital letters of must be with what? With names, countries, and nationalities, like this. I'm Mary. I'm from France. I'm French. Here is a capital letter name, capital letter country, and capital letter nationality. Here we have the names of days and months and languages must be written in capital letter. Like what? Like I have English on Monday. My birthday is in June. June here is month. Monday here is day. So must be written in what? In capital letter. June, Monday, and English. Here we have some vocab. Let's learn it together. Here is we have dollar, muffin, glass. Dollar, muffin, and glass. Coffee, bill, and dress. Coffee, bill, and dress. Okay. Here we have my friend Mary is what? Is French. Here it will be French. This is the nationality of my friend. She lives in French. Lives in what? In France. Because her dad works there. Because their dad works there. She has two brothers. She's a very nice girl. Okay. Today we finished. We'll stop here in this part. Next class I will continue the rest of the unit. Today I'll stop here in this part. Next class I will continue. I hope to benefit from this video and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.